Hi everyone. In today's video, let us understand why any organization should go for a Power BI when we have many business intelligence tools in the market. First, let us see who are the competitors to Power BI in this space. Then we can see what are the key features and benefits that Power BI is offering. And later we can also understand why Power BI is preferred in this segment. And finally, we can also just see from a developer perspective or individual to you why you should learn Power BI. So let's get started. Here, to understand who are the competitors and who is the market leader here, I'm using Gartner Magic Quadrant Analytics and BI Intelligence platforms as of June 2024. Here you can clearly see that Microsoft is the market leader in this segment. Then we have Tableau from Salesforce, and we have a ClickView tool which is from Click, and we have Google, and we have Oracle and ThoughtSpot as well. So out of these, Microsoft Power BI is the market leader in this one. So to understand why it is the market leader, first let us see what are the key benefits it's offering. Then we can see the difference with the other tools. Here are the key features and benefits offered by Microsoft Power BI. Let us go through them one by one. First one is user-friendly interface. Power BI offers a intuitive UX to the users so that people with even no technical background also can use it easily for the visualizations. Then we have comprehensive data connectivity. This means capability of Power BI to connect to a vast number of data sources through its native connectors. This might look like a simple feature, but the problem is if we don't have a native connector, then we might have to rely on generic generic connector such as ODBC connector. So the problem with this is you have to rely on the client software which will be provided by that specific database vendor. Then you have to go with on-prem connectivity, which complicates your data fetching strategy. So since Power BI provides many data connectors to almost all the data sources, your task will be easier if you use this tool. Then we have a powerful data transformation, which is provided by the Power Query. Okay. Then we have advanced visualizations. Uh, Usually the out of box visuals, right, like bar chart, line chart, clustered charts, map visual, card visuals, all these are available out of box. Then you can go with your custom visualizations as well. If you have any very specific requirement, then you can develop that. Then we have real-time analytics. If you want to see your any streaming data, or if you want to monitor some logs, then Power BI offers that feature as well. Either you can use the page refresh option, or you can use the streaming data sets. Using both of them, you will be able to achieve this functionality. Then comes the collaboration and sharing. So easily from the Power BI service, you will be able to collaborate with other developers, or you can share the reports with end users with the required permissions. Then comes the mobile accessibility. So the artifacts which you developed in the Power BI, right? You will be able to deliver them to the end users through mobile channel as well. So it has that feature as well. Then comes the scalable and secure. So at every stage, the data is encrypted in Power BI, and you can scale your system to any level by taking that specific license. Okay, so these are very good and advanced features provided by Power BI. If you see most of these features, if we go back to the previous slide and see the competitors for Microsoft Power BI is right, most of these features are provided by the other vendors as well, like Salesforce or Google or Click. So then why Power BI is preferred over other BI tools? So let us understand this more in detail. Okay. Now, the combination of both price and comprehensive features and ecosystem. So this is the principal difference that is differentiating between Microsoft Power BI being a leader and other tools. So the price at which they offer the services is the price at which it offers the services gives you above average features with good ecosystem to connect with the other components in the Microsoft ecosystem. So this is the major reason. And the second reason is now companies few years back, if we generate visuals with through drag and drop functionality, right, then we can consider that as a very good feature. Nowadays, now due to advancement in the Gen AI, right, so we need features like text to visual conversion. So that kind of features are required. Microsoft is leading in them by using Q&A features and text analytics and sentiment analysis. In addition to that, it has integrated Copilot as well into the in the Power BI desktop. Okay, so that is the key feature, another key difference between Microsoft and other vendors here. And the third one is Microsoft is having a, clear product pipeline to include the advanced features. Every month, Microsoft rollouts updates to the Power BI platform to include the advanced feature in it. So these three principal reasons are differentiating and giving the Microsoft the leadership position. Now let us understand why you need to learn Power BI from your personal perspective. Now consider you are currently learning Power BI, and the reason for that can be you might be searching for a job right now. Okay, so you are looking for a new job. So learning Power BI will give you good opportunities because of its leadership position in the market. Okay. Otherwise, you might be learning Power BI because in your current role you are already handling with the data. Now you want to learn one visualization tool which gives you some additional advantage compared to your peers in the organization. So in this case, learning Power BI will give you instant advantage so that you will have both experience in the data domain as well and visualization as well. So it will give you additional benefits during promotions or in the progressions. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.